Hello, this is a guide for my player Bot Datapack's combat and logic update. In this version, I remade this combat behavior along with some data storing methods and add some features. First of all, every time you enter the world or type/reload, you will get this message appear in chat. Playerbot Datapack loaded, Playerbot's tools loaded. The second one is an official addition to the main datapack. It adds tools, menus, and other necessary stuff. Click here to open the datapack main menu. Here we have a little greeting and 4 buttons. First we'll give you editor tools, which is the main part of the datapack. Second we'll open bot summoning menu. Third we'll open datapack's page on modrinth. And last one will lead you to this video. Let's start with summoning a bot. We have bot skin placeholder, 2 rotation sliders here, moving method choose, and stop distance slider. Last one determines how close bot has to be to its target to stop. Let's enter random parameters here and summon a bot. As you can see, it has the exact skin and rotation I chose there. Next one is editor tools. We have 3 of them: pointer, target, and data tools. Each of them gets activated by right clicking, but pointer and target tool first need to be edited. For that, just hold shift and use it. We have 6 parameters here, but most times you'll only need from 5 to 3 of them. We better start with the second one. It determines which bot will affect. It has 3 modes: don't change, which won't change targeted bot if it's already set into; nearest bot, which will obviously choose the nearest bot; and text box, which will use UID that you wrote here. Next, 4 buttons are understandable without guide, so the last thing I gotta say is that when you select something here, it only activates when you finish editing. And what I mean by it is that if you chose nearest bot UID here, it's gonna change UID only when you click this button. It's not gonna change it every time you use this tool. I hope you understood me. After editing, you can use it. You simply right click anywhere and the chosen bot will go there. If you set this option to true, then the bot will attack any entity you point to. Next one is target tool. It works similar to the pointer, but it has some differences. This tool only works for entities, but instead of telling the bot to go to it, it just adds this entity to bot's possible target list. In edit menu, there's only 3 settings. You already know 2 of them, but I gotta explain the third one. It has 2 modes, append and prepend. There's a list of bots target. Append is when you add a new object to the end of the list. Prepend is when you add it to the start. In our case, object is entity, more specifically is UID. When you click with this tool, select that entity's UID will be added to the list. Last one is data tool. It has a lot of different modes, which are user friendly, so I'm not gonna go through them. One thing that you gotta remember about this tool is that it only changes nearest bot's data. When you shift click with it, it will open datapack main menu. That's it for the guide. Bye.